you guys. Say up camera.
Hi, I'm busy sending everybody a link to my...
Alright, so we took the morning off. Not really off, we're still working.
No, we're working.
We're working. We've been working, never mind. No morning off. We're headed to the Mercedes dealership because you guys will see.
Because we're working.
Because we're working on a new car. No, no new car. We're picking up a client's vehicle. We're gonna go drop it off at the window tint shop, get that thing done. We have a few hours to do that. And meanwhile, the vehicle's getting tinted. We're gonna run over to the elementary school and we're gonna drop off all the shoes that we purchased a few weeks ago for the Shoes for Kids that we have going on. So if any of you guys want to donate, send me a message, call me, email me, something. It doesn't have to be cash. You can buy a pair of shoes, drop it off, we can pick it up, or any other donations, just let us know. So stay tuned for more. We're going to be headed out. I'll show you guys when we pick up the vehicle and the full step on our service.
So this is a small little drive through Gene Autry in the city of Palm Springs. Check out the mountains, check out the clouds today. So we're headed over to the Mercedes dealership, Mercedes of Palm Springs. Look at those palm trees, guys. So we have a few things to do. One, you guys already know, we're picking up the not a Mercedes, we're picking up one of my client's cars that's also a sales rep at Mercedes.
Alright guys, so we just picked up this vehicle from Mercedes, Kia, the K5. It's about to get tinted. And then we're also going to bring it back with a fresh wash. So it's going to be washed and tinted. So you guys, I just picked up the Kia K5. Limo tint all around with the ceramic tint, so it looks pretty good, man. It gives any car, when you add any window film, any protective film, what you call it, or just tint on any car, it gives it a whole nice look, man. It gives it a nice sleek luxury look, and it makes your car look nice overall. So stay tuned, I'll show you guys the vehicle shortly. We still got to get this car clean and washed and delivered to our client. So I'll show you guys the video right now.
Alright, so we're all done with the Kia K5. We're going to finish it off with some of the Louis Vuitton fragrance. The actual fragrance from the Louis Vuitton store. The car smells good now.
So we're headed back to Mercedes of Palm Springs to deliver this beautiful K5 Kia. That looks amazing now. It got the windows tinted with the ceramic tint.